Girgin namba tang zashing sewi lobchuk namba chinambi dungkamsang. Ngana marking zanda tisim sanga phayol ba chung serong kharden. Ngi zanda girgin sunam suyum ba tang. Thangdi phayol zanda choch chatun girgin lepchi mayan. Magni la lim ngai lomang arang lam sunayang phayol zanda tang ta chik thapa na ni lomdang thoi nang chi gurke bek shishiri samgyo. Dewi ni derong girgin namba tang nyamde jogong shepi khuchan nanda nyungsur shepi khuchi monga junchi zo zirko khuchan dare. Khuchan dan nang thurung mari khuyachang kangli khwat tachamba tang dongnang khwat tsirare. Khuchan di sumba po na joni yam cherang la khona ok nakshum ko sumba po chakchin shing barmaza ko rota chakchin zirare. Kula ram jambi ma tak tumyong la somri kapshar gayang rat tang ramaz tumyong ak. Khung sacha kang tang ani tsar kang tang irong kurang ga rang tsik tambuin la khachung nan nam yung khujen dur ma myong sa. Khung la yang upar upyak shirchi chingon ko jongtam tin arata jashi ga phuksan la kung ye jenchung tang sumba de na yang chiksha tsik sumba po ko rang tang ga chama chashi ren sam ko. Khche zo jipi khuchan din arata ya tu tang lu tu nyam.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Okay, I am Maghlagam So. It's a great honor to speak here again. First, I have a question for you. Have you ever heard of the Little Prince? Okay, when did you read it? Wow, embarrassed. In 2020, a normal afternoon, I opened The Little Prince. In the meantime, I was opening a new world. In the new world, there are so many things, such as love, loyalty, and responsibility. Through all these things, I understood life is full of romantic. The Little Prince was written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry in 1942. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry is a pilot, and he's a writer too. He likes adventure and freedom in his lifetime. He had given his life for aviation industry. He's a great pilot. The Antoine de Saint-Exupéry wrote this book, Little Prince. It is presented as The Little Prince